Scan to unlock Sovi and ace your tests.
Quantity theory makes this quick. We plug year 2 into MB equals PY, keep velocity and output fixed, and the price level appears. According to the quantity theory of money, MV equals PY, so price level P equals MV divided by Y. Watch this. Velocity stays 3 and real output stays 12.5 million. In year 2, the money supply becomes 600 million. So substitute M equals 600, V equals 3, and Y equals 12.5 into P equals MV over Y. Now compute the numerator first. 600 times 3 equals 1800. Then divide by 12.5 to get 144, which is the year 2 price level. Well done! Option C. Scan now. Trap, rushing signs or steps. Rule, trust the given values and check each step carefully.